Welcome back to the channel. So everybody for watching this knows about like real estate bubbles. People always say, "Oh, the market's a real estate bubble. People aren't buying deals. The housing market's bad. Prices are going down. Bad time to buy. Sellers market, buyers market, blah blah blah." But I recently noticed another bubble that is in the real estate sphere, but more so on like the content creator side. And I came across this randomly. And that was like what motivated me to make this video because I'm subscribed to over 200 channels on YouTube, which is kind of crazy. And I recently decided to clean up my YouTube. I'm like, I'm tired of having 200 subscriptions. I want to be able to click on my subscriptions tab and like enjoy the content there. And it's just like most of the content is just like, old Alec kind of stuff that I was interested in before. And I came across probably hundreds of real estate channels because I used to subscribe to a ton of real estate channels when I was getting in the business, blah blah blah. I'm kind of just yapping, but anyways, long story short, I was looking through all these channels. I'm like, oh, I forgot about that guy, oh that guy, oh that girl, oh I forgot about these people. And I was looking through their channels and most of them stopped posting content in the last year, 2 years, 3 years. But if you go on most popular, like you can go on the channel most popular, maybe you've done that to my channel, and you could click like see when the channel kind of peaked, and almost all of them peaked like between 3 and 6 years ago. They all kind of peaked, and then now they either aren't getting a lot of views, which is kind of like my channel, like it's not getting a crazy amount of views. I don't post that much anymore either, but like it's kind of like in that same boat, I guess my channel is, but they're not getting a lot of views or they just stopped posting. And the same thing goes for TikTok, because I started content creation 4 years ago in 2022, around this same time, like early 2022, and I was posting videos about real estate and wholesaling, mainly just wholesaling stuff, maybe just me talking about like giving tips on wholesaling. And it was hot back then, like a lot of people liked that kind of content, but it slowly like became less hot, you feel me? And it's not as like cool now. I don't know if that makes sense, but a lot of the people like my era of real estate and like content creation aren't making real estate content or aren't even in the business. A lot of people in real estate just quit. I noticed that it's pretty common. Like a lot of real estate people that I used to do deals with and stuff like this aren't doing real estate anymore, which is interesting. With that being said, I'm still in real estate. I'm actually scaling this year in 2026. I'm scaling my business to more than it's been in the past few years. Like I'm actually pretty ambitious this year about like my business and stuff. So like I have more employees than I've had in the past couple years, and I'm trying to get more leads and more deals and all this stuff. So I'm a little bit more ambitious. I'm not saying that this year has been going perfect so far. I've had 4 deals fall apart already this year. So like in December it was going really well because I had so many deals on the board, but now it's like, oh wow, 4 deals fell apart. But I'm still doing consistent deals. So like it's, I'm blessed in that aspect. But I'm just mainly making this video because I think it's interesting that the real estate content bubble has popped, where people making these like videos of like watches and like Lamborghinis and stuff don't own them anymore or don't post anymore. And it's like, oh, well, you guys probably aren't doing as well anymore. And then a lot of the people that were doing like coaching aren't doing that anymore, or a lot of people that were doing real estate and wholesaling are only doing coaching now. So like, that's interesting. I go to a lot of masterminds and stuff, and people are always complaining. With that said, mindset shift. Wow, what a hard sentence. Like, Sally, so corn. Well, I don't even know what I'm saying. But no edits. But one mind shift switch is like, for every person that you hear complain, and like this video is kind of targeted at real estate, but just like any business and just like in life in general, if for every person that complains about something, there's like 3 people doing really well that just don't post online about it. So that's one thing that's like kind of humbled me a little bit. I'm like, okay, I can be in these circles where everybody's like, oh, business is bad, real estate market's bad, nobody's buying deals, but then I know all these other people that are doing really good. So yeah, mainly the video is about the real estate content bubble popping. I've never seen anybody else talk about it. I noticed it recently. I thought it was kind of interesting, and that's what I'm kind of yapping about. Going forward on this channel, I do plan to post more on this channel. My goal is to do like 5-minute max videos, just kind of yapping, like straight to the point, no BS, straight to the point, yapping about business and real estate and wholesaling, like what I'm doing. I also started a faceless channel recently, a few months ago. That channel has been doing really good. I do like daily uploads on it, and no affiliation to anything I've done before. Nobody can tie them together. Only like 5 people know about it, but that channel's been doing pretty good, and I'm pretty ambitious about that channel. Or optimistic. That's the word, optimistic about that channel. But yeah, I'm gonna be posting more. Let me know if you've noticed this content bubble that kind of stopped being like a thing, if you've noticed that. And like real estate content creators don't get as many views nowadays, or just aren't posting content now. Look at old people that you used to follow. Like it's real. Like this is like a real thing. So yeah, that's what the video is about. Let me know in the comments, and yeah, I'll see you in future videos.